Hello, today you're looking at a Torit 2000 CFM Trunkline 2000 dust collector brought to you by Lanco. This unit is designed to handle one or two welding stations. It does mount on the ceiling. You can see here on the four corners where it would mount to the ceiling. Two pieces of wood does not come with it. That is extra. It does have an automatic pulse clean system, and the filter media area is 848 square feet. It does contain 4 cartridge filters on the inside. Overall dimensions is 98 inches long by 50 inches wide by 24 inches high. It does have a 5 horsepower motor, can be wired for 230 or 460 volt. The Lysol wipes also do not come with it. Also an extra charge. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Very nice, quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.